Hey everybody, it's Kat Cora. I'm gonna recreate Ben & Jerry's edible cookie dough. So here we go, these are the ingredients. So you've got a stick of butter, some brown sugar, cream, vanilla, just a touch of salt, some flour, and chocolate chips. Okay, to start the cookie dough, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the butter. Now this has been left out at room temperature so it's nice and soft, and I'm gonna cream it together with the brown sugar. Now I'm gonna do it by hand, but of course you can use a hand mixer. No problem. I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna get a little workout today. Now, according to Ben & Jerry, you need to put the flour in because it is gonna be, raw dough. So there's no eggs in it, as you can see. And what you need to do with the flour is treat the flour. So what they do is they say to put it in the microwave for about 30-second intervals, stirring it in between until it reaches 165 degrees. So it's nice and warm inside. And you can just use a regular thermometer, instant read thermometer to check that temperature. That's what I mean by creaming it. See how it's changed textures? There we go. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add in my cream. This is gonna go in, okay? Vanilla, the secret ingredient, my mom always said. And a little teaspoon of salt goes right in there, just to give it a little sweet saltiness. And then just mix that together really well. And then I'll just add it a little at a time. I'm always a big believer, add your flour in a little at a time. Keeps it from lumping. A little easier to manage too. So just mix it all in there. Mixes really well. And you can see because it's warm, it actually makes it a little easier too to mix. Go in there. So good. Who doesn't love cookie dough? You're just gonna refrigerate it as well. Once you get this done, you can actually serve it immediately. You can eat it immediately. But if you want it a little more chilled, just stick it in the fridge for 30 minutes or an hour and get it nice and cold, and then voila. Let's see. Now I gotta taste it. It's a hard job, but somebody's gotta do it. Here we go. All right. That is beyond decadent, beyond delicious. I think I really want to put it in the fridge and make it a little more chilled. So good. You can even roll it in balls. You can kind of put them out. However you want to eat it, just scoop it into a bowl and go. Here it is, Ben & Jerry's edible cookie dough. I let it chill for about 30 minutes because it's a little bit colder. I like it like that. I scooped it out, put it in a little bowl for myself, and now I can't wait to dig in.